Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this active mold and stain remover. So it does come with a lid. There is a foil that we're going to have to cut underneath here, and here is the actual dispenser lid. It also has a point that's the cap that screws on and off, and there is a hole in the lid already. Now you are supposed to use gloves when you're handling this. So we do have to take this metal off, and there is a gel underneath there. Now mine did need stirred just a little bit. I put a little stick in there to kind of stir it a little bit. Now I can put the cap on, and now I can put this cap on. Let's go dispense some. You're supposed to put it on and let it sit for 3 to 5 hours. Yeah, it comes out as a gel. You're supposed to let it sit 3 to 5 hours and then use a damp cloth to wipe it off. And you can use it around caulking, rubber seals for like a washing machine, or tile and grout. Okay, so I do have just a couple spots in the grout, so let's put it on. Again, it comes out as a gel. Maybe that's a little too much. It does have a really fine dispensing. I think that's about it. Might be a little bit over here. Now, I like that it stays on the wall, so you can put it. It doesn't necessarily have to be level on the floor. So if I got something like right here, and it should stay right where I put it. Okay, so it's been about 4 hours. There's the gel. We can wipe the gel off. Yeah, looks like it did a pretty good job. Let's go over here where it stayed. It does stay in put. Yeah, it does stay where it's supposed to go, yeah. Look at that. That is really, really clean now.